first circle is to verify that I do in fact need to poop. The second is to check for gremlins and men with beards and hats. The third is to re-verify my need for pooping.
This is my hair wet. A little bit, but not wet at all. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it's wet. This is my hair wet.
Dip in the pool, I trip to the spa, endless days in my shades, the whole world according to moi. Excuse me. Thank you.
Yes. Are you kidding me?
Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Oh.
You can take a small bite. Just bite the corner like this. You see? Just bite it. Gentle.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy. Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
Whiskey, smile, smile.
My shiny teeth and me, my shiny teeth that twinkle just like the stars in space.
Get him! Get him!
Don't you dare! Ah! Don't! Sadie?
Don't be fucking rude.
Are you kidding me?
I swear to God, don't be fucking rude and throw the thing on me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Oh my god.